fucking right. Anyway, it's a new day. Got no plans. Might just head to Jack's area. Wait for him to finish work. Get fucking thrashed. I don't know. I'll update you what we do today. We are in Blacktown. Hungry as a Carabao on Christmas. This fellow's gonna try and find some sunnies around. Fucking, you really need to get the bro that sent me that phone holder thing. I really need to grab it and start using it more. I'm sick of fucking holding the phone up. Yeah, we're gonna find a shop to get some sunnies, then get some food. I'll update you what fucking Blacktown's all about, eh? We're almost in the hood, so. Living real life in one, yeah. We've got a sunnies, we've got some Subway. Now. I'm gonna hit some dirt roads, eh? We're gonna hit some dirt roads apparently, go see how well this fucking rental goes. And then, I don't know, I'll update you what we've done. It's just another day Rap Dogs life, baby. We're in the gravel now. We're in the gravel, so we were going to this fucking lookout. The Rock Lookout. Yeah. Oh god. We're gonna test the fucking abilities of this thing, or? Fucking, it's fucking hard as a button there. Will it even work? Like, if you pull it though, I wonder. So we go straight into a trailer. Alright, I'll update you when we get there, I guess. Righty, we made it. Apparently there's a walk. I didn't know there was a walk involved. Yeah, I didn't know there was a walk involved, but I guess we're doing a walk now, aren't we?
Let's see how far it is.
Yeah, maybe I could do. Alright, let's go have a look. Ready, scissor kick, scissor kick. Bang! All them the scissor kick, just a fucking heel toe clap over that shit. Alright. What does that say? So it doesn't say. Right. Okay. Doesn't say, or you are here. I didn't look like that much of a walkout. Of a walk. You go like left, and there's one like right there. Apparently, oh, you didn't even fucking listen. You're still ages away. You'll probably go left. I know if I can be fuck going all the way up here. I don't even know what is there, so I might just go right here. Beautiful. Let's go have a look. Let's go have a look, eh? Let's go have a look. I feel very good walking through slides, through this shit, eh? Like, I feel like some things are just gonna fucking jump out at me and absolutely just attack me. Don't like it, eh? Alright, well, it's been a bit of a walk. I'm sure that it looks like a lookout right there, eh? I don't know. Keep fucking chooching through. Holy shit, no, that high.
They dam this off at Upriver Road.
Hey.
So fucking there'll be like this will be full of water upstream.
Fuck yeah, it's a pretty big cliff, cause. Holy shit. I still don't fuck. I really feel like I'm gonna fucking see a massive spider or snake or some shit. Just look, alright, it was my first time being here. I'm freaking out. I'm fucking freaking out. Pass? Fuck yeah, it's massive calls. That's the shit. Oh, yep. Yep. Fuck, I reckon if we jump, we'll make it to there. Surely. That's pretty tough, cars. Way better cars. 1 million. Bang, cars. Fuck, we are pretty high, pretty high up, I can pick this up. Echo! Literally sounds like someone screaming back at me. Rap Dog, baby! What? Yeah! That's actually so nuts. Surely the camera can hear that. No fucking time! That's actually so gangster. What the fuck? What else can you say? Ayo! Ayo! Stop screaming back! That's out of it! That's actually so nuts to me. That's crazy. That's literally sounds like someone's mimicking me. Echo! Why? What? Alright, fuck, I'm really hoping the camera picked that up. That was gangster as fuck. It literally sounded like someone was down there screaming back at whatever the fuck I was screaming. Fuck. Anyway, I think we're gonna go see this dam. I'll update you all where Bill gets up to. On camera now. Here he goes. Going for Perry Lau. Perry Lau. How good is he gonna get? How good is he gonna be, eh? How good is he gonna be? Oh, he's fucked it. Nah, he's fucked it. Straight into the curb, straight into the car. Fuck. No, it's pretty good, mate. It's pretty good, mate. Pretty good, mate. Alrighty. We're at the dam now, apparently. I think there's a dam out, yeah, we're at the dam. I'm gonna look down there. I'll show you what it looks like. Holy shit. Yep, that's a dam. That's definitely a dam, yep. Holy shit. Yo, that's definitely a dam, cause. Oh, that's, wait, what?
That's where we were down there.
Yeah, but like, why is that big area like that? Is it for it to fucking flood over or some shit? Or?
Yeah. Oh, fuck, this is gating that shit.
Yo, I walked down there, but apparently you even can't, so we sort of fat as walked for no fucking reason at all. Yeah, how good. How good. Some weird droppings here. Never seen this type of poo before. Some Kangos. Those Kangos, is it? Wow. The roos. All the roo. Ooh, I got roos in my fucking. Ooh. It's got roo in my slide. Yum. Alright, I'll update you what we done. I think we're going to see Jack now. Haircut, eh? What about my haircut? Fuck, so $57 for 24. Fuck, they better be good, cause fuck, it's like half my money, so. Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh, what? So that's why they were green. They were like wrapped up in like little like fucking 6-packs or some shit. That's out of it. That's fucking out of the cars. Alright, these better be fucking good, okay, yeah? These better be good.
Fucking chuckers.
Extra dry toothies. Toothies, mate. They're fucking toothies. 4.3%, mate. I don't know. We'll give them a go, eh? Do a quick review, eh? See what it tastes like. Oh, yeah? Hey, it's not bad. That's a good beer. It's a good beer. Not a green bottle. Nice and see-through. It's what you want. A little bit of a yellow colour. Not too light, not too dark. Right in the middle, mate. Fucking beauty. All right. We're like 4 minutes away from Jack, so let's get fucking thrashed and let's do it. Time is... We just said the time? 1:42. Let's see how fast we can get these fucking things down, eh? Just got to Jack's, and there's no Jack, so must be at fucking either the gym or I don't know, maybe still at work. No, he shouldn't still be. We reckon to finish at 12, so I reckon he'll be at the gym. But anyway, I guess we'll just sit here, sing some fucking beers, and wait for him to get back.
Today.
What's your update? What's your update? Yeah! Oh, I don't really like fucking update once the fucking dog got home. But cooked some food, almost burnt the house down.
We're going now.
And then yeah, I know, we're going to the pub now, so I'll try and update when I can, but again, I hope there's not too much fucking music. Let's do it again. Fucking copyright. Can you put your seatbelt on?
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Can you put your fucking seatbelt on?
Sorry.
Fucking.
Normally I don't wear seatbelts, just this car.
Well, this car that fucking...
You're not sneaky, eh?
Whoa.
Chucking it sideways.
Oh,
Well, I have to, right?
Alright, well we sort of...
he tried. Here's the food. Nah, he just fucking died. You stop. You stop. What do we get?
Steak burger.
Oh, yeah boy, yeah boy, yeah boy, yeah boy, yeah boy.
But
Someone's getting absolutely raided. Someone's getting raided. Yeah, I'm with a steak burger or something. I'll update you what the fuck it looks like. No, not a thing. Alright, yo, nah, this actually slaps. Slaps?
Yeah.
What's your 1 out of 10?
Oh, yeah, 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Oh yeah, I'll give it a 7 out of 10. Definitely fucking bang. Could do with the egg, I reckon. With the egg, fuck, could be banging with the egg. But anyway, that's what we're doing. Look at this kid.
He's like, oh.
Oh, all good. Well, yeah, boy. April 77. April fucking 77. What do you get? What do you get? Can you see him? Can you record him?
No, he's got
Looking for 7685.
nothing.
7685.
What are you gonna get what?
No, it's a four.
Oh, nah, no way. No.
8477.
Nah, no way.
8477.
Nah,
Wait,
8477.
8447.
8447.
Wait, what's this? No.
Oh, no, I thought we actually had it. I thought we had it. There's no way. There's no way. No way.
8447.
There's no way.
Another one.
7685.
Nah.
7685.
That concludes our Friday night.
Nah, it's bullshit. Nah, it's not okay. You know, we still a game pool. I'll fucking update what we're gonna do later on. I think we're still going back to the fucking hotel.
So close. I had my hopes were so high.
They did not update us fucking leaving the pub at all. But back in the hotel, probably gonna do fuck all. Suppose it's probably just another day around Vlog's life though. Been a bit slack in the fucking past, been slack in the sayings past 2 videos, but I'll pick them back up soon. But it's just a bit hard when it's fucking a bit full on, eh?